This is the Titan Fitness Log Bar, and according to Titan, it's supposed to bring strongman training into your home gym without destroying your wallet. Sounds amazing, right? But after training with it for several workouts, I realized there's something most reviews don't really talk about: how different this feels compared to a standard barbell, and whether that difference actually makes you stronger or just more uncomfortable. So, is this worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Titan Fitness Log Bar Product Overview. The Titan Fitness Log Bar is a strongman-style specialty bar designed primarily for log clean and press movements, one of the most iconic exercises in competitive strongman training. Titan Fitness, known for making budget-friendly alternatives to premium gym equipment, released this as an affordable way for home gym owners to train like pro strongmen without spending rogue-level money. This bar typically comes in multiple diameters, commonly 8-inch, 10-inch, or 12-inch, and weighs roughly 70 to 100 pounds, depending on size. It's designed for intermediate to advanced lifters, garage gym athletes, CrossFit competitors, and anyone wanting to build serious pressing strength while reducing shoulder strain compared to traditional barbells. Titan Fitness Log Bar Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing: the first time you pick up a log bar, it feels weird, really weird. The neutral grip handles completely change your mechanics compared to a barbell overhead. Instead of fighting shoulder rotation, your arms stay in a more natural position, which honestly feels fantastic if you've ever dealt with cranky shoulders. During workouts, I used this for log clean and press sessions, strict presses, and even some front-loaded carries. Once you learn the technique, especially the lap phase, the movement becomes incredibly satisfying. The log's diameter forces more core engagement, meaning every rep feels like a full-body effort rather than just an upper-body lift. One surprise, though: stability. Because the weight sits farther from your center of gravity, lighter loads actually feel heavier. That sounds like a downside, but it's fantastic for building functional strength. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, and more importantly, why they matter. First up, neutral grip handles. Instead of a straight bar, you get parallel handles inside the log. This reduces shoulder external rotation, which means pressing feels safer and more natural, especially for lifters with mobility limitations. Second, thick steel construction. The heavy-gauge steel shell isn't just for looks. The larger diameter shifts weight distribution forward, forcing greater core stabilization. Translation: your abs and upper back work overtime even during presses. Third, Olympic plate compatibility. It uses standard 2-inch sleeves, so you don't need specialty plates. Huge win for home gym owners. Just load what you already have and go. Fourth, multiple size options. Smaller logs are easier for beginners, while larger diameters mimic competition equipment. That scalability makes this bar usable whether you're experimenting with strongman training or preparing for an event. Design and build. Aesthetically, Titan kept things simple and functional, and honestly, that fits the strongman vibe perfectly. The bar features a powder-coated steel finish that feels rugged and durable. Welds are solid overall, especially considering the price point, though they're not quite as refined as premium competitors. The handles have a grippy texture without aggressive knurling, which is great for longer sessions. It definitely looks industrial, more warehouse gym than luxury fitness studio, but that's part of the appeal. This thing feels built for work, not Instagram photos. Just be ready, it takes up serious space in a home gym. Pros. Excellent value compared to premium strongman equipment. Shoulder-friendly neutral grip pressing. Adds functional full-body strength training variety. Cons. Steep learning curve for beginners. Finish quality isn't premium level. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a garage gym owner, CrossFit athlete, or strength enthusiast wanting to expand beyond traditional barbell training, this is honestly a no-brainer. The Titan Fitness Log Bar delivers authentic strongman training at a price that's dramatically lower than high-end competitors, and performance-wise, it absolutely gets the job done. But if you're brand new to lifting or only interested in standard bodybuilding workouts, though, this might feel unnecessary.